Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create eye-catching Instagram Reels. First, you need to install the CapCut application on your device. After that, open it. Next, tap on the new project option here. Here you can select the photos or videos that you want to upload on your Reels. Then tap on next at the bottom. Now you have access to all the available features for editing your Instagram Reels. You can also enter your desired text here. Additionally, you have the option to adjust your text anywhere you would like on your image. Once you have finished editing as you like, you just need to save it. After that, go to your Instagram application. Then tap on the plus icon located at the bottom of your page to upload your reel. Now choose the image you have saved. After that, tap on the next button. Next, you have to use interesting captions or trending hashtags. Once you are done, then simply upload your reel. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.